Everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to perform independent sample t-test using SPSS. Independent sample t-test is another important test within the comparative research design, and it is used to compare the means of two independent groups. We can use more than two independent groups, but we have to use ANOVA, which I will explain in my next video. So in independent sample t-test you can compare the means of different or two separate groups, such as male and female, such as student of two separate departments, or maybe you want to see the performance of a vaccine. So you may divide the those who are receiving the vaccine in two different groups, and maybe you perform administer vaccine on one group and you do the placebo effects on the other, and this is how you can test it. So independent sample t-test can be used for maybe gender wise, or maybe two different employee groups, etc. So here I'm taking one example. The example is that, let's say, a consultant wants to compare the salary of male and female staff in a large scale nationwide organization. For example, we want to see if the salary of male and female is statistically significantly different between male and females in a one company, for example, or maybe in generally even you can do that. So we develop hypothesis that there will be no differences, and alternative will be that yes, there is a statistically significant difference. How to perform the test? We simply go to the SPSS. Here we have a data on gender, age, department and income. So the gender is, I can show you here, gender is male and female. Age group, we have different age categories, department wise and income. But we want to compare the income or the salary based on gender. So we use the command is simple. We go to analyze, we go to compare means, and independent sample t-test. In test variable we want to shift that variable which we want to compare, which is our main variable of interest, so in this case income, and gender I want to shift to the grouping variable. And because I am using the 1 and 2 coding, so I will just explain the coding and nothing else. You just hit the OK. So here it is telling us that the male, in our sample there are 49 male and 36 females. Totally they are 85. The mean salary or income of male is 968, whereas for female the salary is 775 with this standard deviation. But it means male are earning more than female according to this sample. But is it statistically significant? We look at these values. So the F value, and we come to the T value. As I told you, T value in absolute sense it should be more than 1.96 or 2 in generally, then we can accept the alternative hypothesis. So in this case T value is more than 2, it is 2.55, and this significant value, which is 0.012 here, it is less than 0.05, which means yes, the difference is statistically significant. By the way, the difference is 192 between these two mean values. So that shows that yes, there is a significant difference between male and female in terms of salary, and yes, male are earning higher income or salary compared to the female according to this sample results. So we can explain our results like this, and the same results, it should be available to you in the template file and the drive I shared with you. So from there you can download the results as well. From there you can download the results, and you can also download the template file.